Hey there, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and today we're gonna learn how to play Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers. So grab your guitar and let's get started. Before we can play Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers, we need to know 4 different chords. The 4 chords that we're going to use in this song are A minor, E minor, G, and D minor. Make sure that you're really confident in those chord shapes before you go on to the next part. The song starts with this riff that uses the 5th and 6th string. We are going to be finger picking this song, so you can set your pick down and use your thumb for this. What I'm doing is playing the open 5th string, then the open 6th string, then the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and then the open 5th string again. I do that 3 times for the intro of the song before I begin singing. When the singing begins on verse 1, ain't no sunshine when she's... I'm gonna change the pattern that I'm doing on my guitar to start including the upper strings. I'll start by playing my A minor chord, and I'm not going to play it straight through. I'm going to separate by doing my thumb on the 5th string, and then my pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger on the D, G, and B strings. So my thumb's on the A string, and my other fingers are on D, G, and B. Here's a close-up of that. I'll pluck the A minor chord 2 times before changing to E minor for 1 beat. My left hand will move from A minor to E minor, and my right hand will stay the same except for my thumb, which will go down to the 6th string, the low E string. Here's the A minor followed by the E minor. Then I have to do a G chord. My left hand will change from E minor to G, and my fingers on my right hand will stay in the same position that they were for E minor. Here's A minor, E minor, and G for Ain't No Sunshine. Here's how it sounds with singing. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's... At this point, we change to E minor, and we're keeping those patterns the same. So for E minor, my thumb is on string 6, which is our low E. Our pointer finger stays on D, middle finger on G, ring finger on B. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no. Then we get to change to D minor, where my thumb will move from 6 all the way to string 4. So my thumb will go from E to D, and my other fingers will move to the top 3 strings of the guitar. Left hand is playing D minor. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Back to the A minor. Wonder this time where she's. A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Wonder if she's gone to A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Ain't no sunshine when she's E minor, and and she's always gone to D minor. Anytime she goes A minor, E minor, G, A minor, and then for I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, we're just gonna hang on A minor. And this part I feel like I always get wrong. I know, 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 I know. Hey, you ought to leave the young thing alone. Music stops. Ain't no sunshine. Back to A minor, E minor, G, A minor, only darkness every day. A minor, E minor, G, A minor, ain't no sunshine when she's E minor. And this house just ain't no D minor. Anytime she goes away, A minor, oh, oh, oh. And then you can take that out to the end. Hey, that's a super fun way to play Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone by Bill Withers. Have fun practicing, and I will see you in the next guitar lesson.